Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add hashtags to your Instagram post easily and step by step. First, open your Instagram app and tap on the plus button to create a new post. Now select a photo or video from your gallery that you want to share and tap on Next. On the next screen, you can apply filters or make edits. Once you're done, tap Next again. Now you'll see the caption field. This is where you can write your post caption and add hashtags. Simply type your hashtags one by one, each starting with the number sign symbol. For example, number travel, number food, number photography. You can add them all in the caption area or even in a comment after posting. But here we are adding them directly before sharing. Once you've added all your desired hashtags, just tap share and your post will go live with the hashtags included. That's it. Your hashtags are now part of your post and can help increase your visibility and engagement. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.